World Oceans Day. World Oceans Day is a day to think about the extremely important role that the oceans play in all our lives, the dangers that are facing our oceans, and the actions we can take to protect them. Before reading, do the preparation task first, then read the article and do the exercises. Preparation task. Match the definitions A until H with the vocabulary 1 until 8. Number 1, the answer is C. To officially recognize, to accept that something exists. Number 2, the answer is F. A clean up and organized event to collect rubbish, especially plastic waste. Number 3, the answer is B. Conservation, protection of the natural environment. Number 4, E. Marine life, plants and animals that live in the ocean. Number 5, G. Single cell organism, the smallest living animals. Number 6, the answer is D. The bigger part of something, majority. Number 7, the answer is A. Oxygen, a natural gas which is essential to life. Number 8, the answer is H. Climate change, the fact that weather patterns are changing around the world. World Oceans Day. There is only one global ocean. This is divided into 5 geographical regions: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Introduction: 70% of our planet is covered by one huge, continuous body of seawater, the ocean. It holds 135 billion cubic kilometers of water. Nearly half of the ocean is more than 3 kilometers deep. The deepest known point of the ocean is in the Mariana Trench, 11 kilometers below sea level, but there may be deeper points that we have not seen, as we have only explored 5% of the ocean to date. World Oceans Day. The government of Canada suggests the idea of World Oceans Day at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. In 2008, the United Nations officially recognized the date, and it has been growing ever since, from 100 events in 2008 to over 1,000 events in more than 120 countries. 10 years later, the day is celebrated in a variety of ways, including special events at aquariums and zoos, beach and river clean-ups, school activities, conservation programs, art contests, and film festivals. The importance of our oceans. One of the main aims of the day is to remind people of the important role the ocean plays in our lives. Life begins in the ocean, and the ocean is home to the majority of plants and animals on Earth. From single-cell organisms to the blue whale, marine plants provide us with 70% of the oxygen we breathe. The ocean controls the climate, providing heat in winter and cool air in summer. It also provides us with food and medicines, as well as transport. No matter where you live on the planet, no matter how far from the sea, your life is dependent on the ocean. The problems facing our oceans. The most urgent problem facing the ocean at the moment is plastic pollution. Reducing one-use plastic, including plastic bags and plastic bottles, has been an important theme for World Oceans Day for a number of years. Climate change and rising sea temperatures are also a huge problem. Rising sea temperatures have a direct influence on weather patterns and are seen as partly responsible for an increase in extreme weather conditions. An increase in carbon dioxide is increasing the acid levels of seawater and putting many marine organisms at risk. What we can do to help: on World Oceans Day, wear blue, go on a march, find a beach or river, clean up near you, organize a local event, print a poster and put in your window, or use the hashtag World Oceans Day on social media. There are so many things you can do on 8th June to join in the celebrations, to remind people about the importance of the ocean in our lives and to make a difference. Task 1. Are the sentences true or false? Number 1. The ocean is 3 kilometers deep. The answer is false. Number 2. World Oceans Day was first suggested more than 25 years ago. The answer is true. Number 3. More animals and plants live under the sea than live on land. The answer is true. Number 4. Plastic pollution is a new theme for World Oceans Day this year. The answer is true. Number 5. The temperature of the ocean is getting warmer. The answer is true. Number 6. People generally wear green on World Oceans Day. The answer is false. Task 2. Match the subject A until F to the number they refer to 1 until 6. Number 1. The answer is C, 70%. The amount of oxygen we get from the sea. Number 2. The answer is B, 11 km. The deepest snow point in the ocean. Number 3. The answer is D, 5%. The percentage of the ocean that has been explored. Number 4. The answer is F, 120. The number of countries that took part in recent World Oceans Days. Number 5. The answer is A, 1. The number of times we use a plastic bag or plastic bottle. Number 6. The answer is E, 8. The date when we celebrate World Oceans Day. Discussion: What role does the ocean play in your life? What would you prefer to do to celebrate World Oceans Day? In my opinion, the sea is a very beautiful creation of God. My role in celebrating World Oceans Day is that I want to clean up the garbage in the oceans. Thank you.